Hey friends, we are here to do another stuffing of Mini Madness. And before I even get started, I just want to say a very, very happy Thanksgiving to you, no matter what you're doing, whether you're celebrating or not. And I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. I debated whether or not to put this video out on Thanksgiving, but ultimately I decided to. So my cash stuffing will be a day late because of this. So look out for the cash stuffing on Saturday. And then the savings challenge video will be out on Monday. Okay, so let's get going. I have $40 here. This is the condensed version, which is going to go into the envelope at the end. And then let's count this up to make sure it's 40, 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. And this $40, once again, is just coming from a little buffer in my bank account. Again, I never let my buffer get big because, well, I just spend it because that's who I am. Okay, so this is my Hey Boo Savings Challenge binder. This has 13 challenges in it. This is available in my Etsy shop, which is back open if you haven't seen. And in addition, I am having a Black Friday sale, you guys. I think it's 25% off everything, and then if you spend over a certain amount, you get an even greater discount. So if there's anything that you've been looking to pick up, feel free, now is the time. Okay, so let's get going. I have these challenges numbered in the corner. They don't come like that. I just did that for the purpose of the video. And again, 13 challenges. So what I do is I roll a 20-sided die, and if I get anything over 13, I just choose a challenge to do. So let's go. All right, number 14, so I get to choose. I think let's just do this one then, since we're already on this page, and I'm gonna take care of this $3 ghosty. So let me know what's been going on, you guys. I have missed you. I still feel like I have a little bit of an inconsistent filming schedule, and I mean, that's okay. But you know, I do like to try to be as consistent as I can. Things just have been a little bit nuts around here with the move and everything like that, and so I think also because of the magic month, let's put $3 in, that has kind of thrown me off. A magic month is wonderful, but it's like extending the month, so my normal end of the month like sinking funds video and things like that I can't actually do yet. So I think that's the whole reason behind that. Okay, 19, so we get to choose yet again. Let's do one on here since we don't have many. And we got a number 1. I feel like I'm missing my 3-sided die, which I believe I keep in here. Hopefully that's not gone, but I have no idea where that would be. So let's put $1 in, and let's go again. Wow, 18. Let's just go again. I mean, let's see. We get to choose. All right, I'm just gonna stay here because we only have a couple done on this page. Another 1, okay. I will take it, absolutely, to make some progress in this binder. I'm hoping I'm only gonna need a couple more stuffings after this to finish this. We will see. Okay, what is going on? 16. It's all like a choose your own adventure today. Let's see. Let's go to that page with all of the scratches, this one, and we only have 4 more on here, so that's pretty good. Let's see, for this one, I got blood type A, which is also $1. Okay, I'm liking this. Lots of $1. I don't hate it. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna take this back and put in a 5. All right. Okay, there we go. Number 6. Finally, something that tells us where to go. All right, so this is another roll and save. And we got a 3 this time. So let's mark down a 3. 2 and 3 going in. All right, next, number 1. So do you have plans for this weekend? If you watch my channel, you know I'm gonna do this $2 ghosty here. You know I love to go Black Friday shopping. I am definitely doing that. But I don't think it's going to be the same at all. Black Friday sales have been going on all week. I mean, it's already hasn't been the same the last bunch of years. But it might just literally be a normal Friday in stores this time. I don't know. We're going to see. $2 going in. But I'm still excited to go nonetheless. Let's see, 2, 4, and 5. I'm gonna pull this 5 out and just take this remaining 5. And I think my mom is gonna go as well, which again, that is our little tradition. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping, go for lunch, and I would love to get the kids fully done on Friday. That would be wonderful. We'll see. Number 5. My son is a little bit harder. He's 6 and he's really into video games. He doesn't really play with his toys anymore, which is tough. We are not getting him another game system. He has an Xbox. This is $5. And he loves his Xbox. He's satisfied with that, so that's great. But what do you get him? You know, he's not asking for any Xbox games. He has the like subscription, I think, where you could download any game for free. It's like a monthly cost or something. My husband pays for that, $5 going in. So he can get any game he wants, I think. So I got just a few things for him so far, and he is the tough one. My daughter is still easy. She's 3.5, so, you know, I could get a number of things for her, but my son is going to be the tougher one. All right, number 10. So, yeah, I need to just kind of go out and look and see if there's anything that I can find that he would like. All right, let's do this $2 one here. But yeah, we're gonna do some Black Friday shopping, and like I said, I would absolutely love to get all of my shopping done. I am really trying to hone it in this year and not go overboard. I feel like every year I tell myself I'm not gonna go overboard, and then the kids have like a bajillion presents under the tree, and I just don't want to do that. They don't need it. I don't need to be spending that type of money. And last year, my daughter literally didn't even open all of her presents on Christmas morning because she had that many and she was overwhelmed. And yeah, it's just overkill. We don't need that much stuff. So I'm really going to try not to do that. Okay, let's see. We have a couple of 2s and a 1 on here. So let me take care of this 2, and we only have 2 more on this challenge. So we are nearing the end on some of these challenges. Number 10 again. So yeah, let me know. Do you go Black Friday shopping? What's your plan? I need to get my other purple marker here. Okay. What's your plan? Where do you like to go? What do you like to buy? Or are you staying home? Or did you already pick up some good Black Friday sales online? Let me know below. Okay, so $1 going in, and let's roll again. Number 8. Let's see, for the rest of the weekend, I don't know what we have planned. I made a goal for myself, you guys, and it feels like an extremely lofty goal, but it is a goal nonetheless. Okay, so this is $3 we're going to add in, and that goal is to have the other house emptied by the end of the year. Will I get that done? I am not... I'm guessing not, but it is a goal that I'm making for myself. That would feel just so good. We're officially done with the upstairs. There's a couple furniture pieces, but everything is empty. Okay, so let's go here on this graveyard page with I'll be back. So everything is empty up there, so that's pretty much done. And now we have to do the main floor and then the basement. The basement is going to be the most daunting thing because that's my craft room. I have a ton of fabric and everything else. And I have to go through it all because I'm not bringing it all here. I do want to try to sell a lot of it. I am in some fabric, like de-stash groups, 2, 4, satisfied. And so I'm hoping to sell it a lot of it, but that's a task in itself. You have to measure, take pictures of everything, post everything. So it's just going to be a pain in the butt, but yeah, that is my goal, and we will see how close I can get. Okay, number 20, we're gonna choose, and I think I want to go back to this one and just finish it out. We only have $1 left, so I'm gonna take care of that. So that is my goal for the end of the year. As far as goals for next year, I don't even think I'm gonna do a separate video or anything. I don't know. I mean, that could change, but as of right now, my goals are the same as they were this year. It's just to pay off debt and rack up my savings. That's just literally my goals. And, you know, we have the house now, so that is a goal that I had that I reached. And so yeah, pay off debt, add to savings. That's it. All right, $1 going in. Let's roll again. Number 11. Okay, so let's scratch here. Okay, so this is type AB, which is $3, and we are getting down to it. I want to see how much money we have left. We might be able to go one more time. So $3 going in. Let's see, we have 2, 4. We have $7 left, so I'm going to go again. Number 10, that's done. Number 14 is you choose. Let's see, is there any that we're not that far in on? Oh, and by the way, if you happen to see the cover on this is just an oopsie just because it's my copy, so, you know, don't mind that. Let's go here because we still have a bunch of scratches on this one. $1, I like it. I think I'm gonna take a risk and roll again. Okay, $1 going in. Let's see, what else, you guys? Number 3, okay, let's roll. 6, of course. Okay, wait, 2, 4, wait. Do you guys see? Do you see what happened? This happened to me in one of my previous videos where I had $14 left and I scratched a 14. And I said in that video that when that happens, I feel like I need to play the lottery. And I mean, mic drop. Cash drop. That is amazing. $6, no IOU, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. I really should play the lottery. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? Should I just buy a scratch off? Should I buy like a Powerball or something? Sorry for shaking the camera. I don't even know how to buy those tickets because I never do. What do you guys think I should do? Because I don't know, I just feel like I'm getting so lucky. All right, let me clean this up real quick and then we'll just count up the money. All right, so we have $40 going in. Let's pull the money out of here and count it up and see what we've got going on. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 210. Okay, 210. I am hoping we could get to 300 with this binder. Everyone's savings is going to be different with this because of the roll-in saves. So let's see if we can make it to 300, and let's just really quickly check what we have. We have a couple there, a few there, halfway there, a couple left there. So it looks like we are at least halfway on every single challenge. We have one fully completed. So we are getting down to it. So I think probably another 2 stuffings or so should definitely finish this. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find some money within the next few weeks to finish this out. And yes, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving. I hope you have a super fun, amazing Black Friday and a wonderful, amazing, relaxing weekend. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.